Good evening, students. So today we are going to learn new lesson, that is comparing number. So see here now, comparing two numbers. How to compare two numbers? Comparing means we have to find out which number is smaller and which is greater. So first of all, see here, circle the smaller number in each box. So first question is what we have to circle the number that is smaller from each box. Okay, so now see here, first box. In this first box, from 3 and 8, we have to find out 3 and 8 which is the smaller number. So here 3 is smaller number, so we have to circle that. Then here 1 and 9, so from 1 and 9 which is the smaller number? 1, so we have to circle it. Then 2 and 20, so here 2 is smaller than 20. Then now next question is what? Circle the bigger number in each box. So now here in each box we have to find out the bigger number. Okay, so 4 and 7, which is the bigger number? 7, so we have to circle 7. Then 2 and 7, which is bigger? 7 is bigger. Then 8 and 9, so which is bigger? 9. So now students, let's see the symbols for smaller than and greater than. Smaller than and greater than symbol, okay, for showing the number smaller than and for showing the number that is greater. मतलब छोटा नंबर और बड़ा नंबर बताने के लिए दो अलग अलग symbols हैं. So now see here, this symbols like this symbol is used for smaller than. Okay, this symbol is used for smaller than and this one symbol is used for greater than. Okay, this symbol is used for smaller than and this symbol is used for greater than. Okay, if you have to show that number is small, then you have to use this one symbol, and if you want to show that number is greater or bigger, then you have to show this symbol. So now see here, from the examples below we shall see how they are used. Now we will see how to use these symbols. Okay, so see, first one is 3, 7, number 3 and 7 is given. So now see here, 3 is less than 7. 3 is less than 7 means 3 is smaller than 7. So we are using this smaller than symbol here, right? Okay, so we have used here smaller than symbol because 3 is less than 7, मतलब 3 7 से छोटा है, इसीलिए हमने ये वाला symbol यूज किया है smaller than. Okay, then now 1 is less than 9. Now 1 is again smaller than 9. So we are using smaller than symbol only, right? Then here now 20 and 2 is there. But now first we have to always see the first number. First number second number से छोटा है या बड़ा है. We have to see that, and according to that we have to use these signs, that is smaller than and bigger than. Okay, so now here first number is 20 and next another number is 2. So 20 is bigger than 2, no? That is why we are going to use here now greater than symbol. Okay, so 20 is greater than 2. Now here 7 and 3. So now here 7 is greater than 3. So first number, we have to see this first number whether it is big or small than this one number. Okay, second number. So now here 7 is bigger than 3. That is why we will use greater than sign. We are knowing this is greater than sign. Okay, and here we have used small than, this is smaller than sign. Okay, so 7 is greater than 3. That is why we are using this greater than sign. Then here 9 is greater than 1. 9 is greater than 1. Okay, 9 is bigger than 1. No, that is why 9 is greater than 1. We are using this only greater than sign. Then here 2 and 20. 2 and 20. So now here 2 is smaller, okay, than 20. That is why we will use smaller than sign. This one 2 is smaller than 20. Okay, so now see here next one. The crocodile is greedy. It eats a bigger number. Now see here, crocodile is greedy. So it is eating the bigger number. So it is eating the bigger number. See the mouth of crocodile. Okay, so 7, it is eating bigger number. So 7 is greater than 2. Greater than, so this is the mouth of crocodile. So it is eating 7. Okay, so 7 is greater than 2. Okay, so always we have to see this first number. Okay, we have to see whether it is small or big than the another number. So here 7 is greater than 2. Okay, Now see, if we take any two-digit number, how would we decide which one is the greater number? Okay, now till now we have seen one-digit number, but if we are having now two-digit number, in that how we are going to see which number is bigger? So the number with the greater tens digit is the greater number. So what we have to see, the tens place. Okay, if the number is of two digit, we have to see the tens place of that number. If the tens place is greater, then that number will be greater. Okay, that number will be bigger. So now here see 37 and 52 is given. Now see here 37 and 52. So now see, we have to see the tens place. This is tens place and this is units place, right? No, tens, units, tens, units. So we have to see when two-digit number is there, 37 and 52. These are two different numbers. So when two-digit number is there, then we have to see tens place. Okay, whether it is bigger or smaller. So see here tens place. Here 3 is there and here 5 is there. Okay, so which number is bigger? This 5 is greater or bigger than 3. So 52 is bigger than 3. That is why 37 is small. So 37 is smaller than 52. We are seeing the first number. Okay, no. So 37 is smaller than 52. See here also it is written 37 is smaller than 52. मतलब टू डिजिट नंबर है अगर, तो हमें टेंस प्लेस देखनी है, जिसकी टेंस प्लेस बड़ी है वो नंबर बड़ा है. ओके, सो नाउ सी, quite right, Rama, what Rama is saying here, quite right. When we count numbers on a measuring tape, 37 comes first and 52 comes later. The number that comes later is bigger. If both the numbers have the same digit in tens place, how do we decide? Now see what she is saying. Now we are knowing that when two numbers are there, we are seeing the tens place and then we are deciding which number is greater. Okay, हम tens place देखते हैं दोनों नंबर के और फिर डिसाइड कर रहे हैं कौन सा नंबर ग्रेटर है. बट नाउ इफ टेंस प्लेस इज ओनली सेम ऑफ टू नंबर्स, ओके, अगर टेंस प्लेस ही सेम है तो हम कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है कौन सा छोटा है? देन व्हाट इज सेड, if the tens are equal, the digit in units place will help. Now what is been said here, if the tens are equal, then the digits in units place will help. Okay, so now see here, suppose number is 22 and 24. Okay, so number is 22 and 24. Now here tens place, this 2, this tens place is same. Okay, this is similar, same है ये दोनों भी. तो अब हम कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे? So now we have to see this units place, we have to see this units place. So here 2 is there and here 4 is there. So which is greater? This 4 is greater. That is why this 22 is smaller than 24. So like this way we have to decide if the tens place is same. Now see here 72 and 78. 72, 78. Here also both the tens places are equal. That is why we are going to see this units place. So 2, 8, which is greater? 8 is greater. So 72 is smaller than 78. So now see here, again two numbers are given here, 43 and 28 is given. So 43 and 28, how we will find 43 and 28? 43 and 28. Okay, so now here 43 and 28, which tens is great? We will see first of all tens place. This is tens place. So tens place, which number is greater? 4. So 43 is greater than 28. यहाँ का फर्स्ट नंबर जो है वो देखेंगे और उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हम ये साइंस यूज करेंगे. सो वी आर यूजिंग हियर ग्रेटर देन साइन. नाउ सी हियर 31 and 33. So now which number is greater? 31 and 33. Now here both these tens places are same. That is why we will compare this units place. So 1 and 3, which is greater? This 3 is greater. So 31 is less than 33. So 31 is less than 33. Okay, or smaller than 33 we can say. So now here see one exercise for or some sums are given here for comparing. Okay, we have to compare and use the sign which sign will be suitable, greater than or smaller than. Now see here, 43 and 46 is the number given. Okay, 43 and 46, this both the tens places are 4 4. It is same, 4 and 4, these tens places are same. That is why we will compare this 3 and 6. मतलब हम units place compare करेंगे यहाँ पे 3 और 6. So 6 is greater, that is why this is smaller. So see now here which sign we have used, smaller than. 43 is smaller than 46. So this is smaller than sign and this is greater than sign. Now see, this remaining 5 sums are for your homework. Now you have to compare that and you have to use the proper sign. Okay. Hope so you have understand. Thank you.